Good afternoon, traders. Hopefully, everyone is having a good day today. We had the market indices mix today. We had the Dow up, Nasdaq, and the S&P down. Now, before we get into the show, I want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. All right, if you're not a subscriber and you happen to be watching the show, go ahead and subscribe. I really do think you're going to get a lot of valuable information from my technical analysis. All right, guys, today is Friday. We are going to go over Sunday's best picks, see how they fared, and then we're just going to call it a night, and you're going to rejoin me on Sunday for the next 3 picks I'm going to give out for the week. All right, with no further ado, let's go into the SPY. We'll see how that fared, and then we're going to call it a night. All right, everyone. As you can see, the SPY here did make a 52-week high back on Wednesday. And if you remember from that show, I said, you know what? We did barely touch that higher Bollinger Band. We did close near the low of the day. Did not like the way this candle formed. It was forming this bearish engulfing candle right here. So we'd have to be really careful going forward. In fact, the next day, we did gap down. But you know what? We did close near that high of the day, near that 10-day moving average, and we're in this kind of holding pattern to see which way this market wants to do. Then I said from yesterday, watch that midpoint Bollinger Band. You'd see a little bit of support if we got down there. And guess what, guys? We did gap lower. We tested that midpoint Bollinger Band, and then we closed near the high of the day. So now what, guys? On Monday, be very careful from these technical levels. If we start seeing a break below today's low or below this midpoint Bollinger Band, which happens to be the one and the same, watch for pricing to go down a little more. Okay, guys, we may see a correction, right? A small correction all the way down to this 50-day moving average, worst case scenario. But we're still in this really nice uptrend, so I'm not really too concerned. Remember, in these uptrend, guys, these pullbacks, these small corrections are an important part of the overall, market cycles. Okay, so don't be too concerned. You just got to remember where these, these levels are, and just not to panic when we start seeing small sell-offs. All right, everyone. All right. With that said, let's go over the 3 stocks that look the 3 stocks that we mentioned on Sunday. We'll see how they fared, and then I'm going to let you go. All right. First stock was NETE. That one opened up on, let's bring this up first of all on a weekly chart so you can see this a little better right here. So NETE did open up at $11.54 on Monday, did close today at $13.40, or about a $2 gain. Pretty good on that one. RXT was that next one. We had that opened up, if you got in, at $19.15 on the opening price on Monday. It did close at $20.84, or a $1.70 gain. Another winner for us. And then the last one, in retrospect, probably I knew it wasn't going to be a good one. It did take out Friday's low right off the bat. It should have been a no play, but I did still give it out, so I'm going to take responsibility of giving that one. But for the week, that one was down $1.62. So overall, we still did an over $2 gain in the overall market. So that is, pretty good considering the SPY did not perform as well as my picks. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful Friday afternoon. Remember to join me on Sunday for Eric's best picks. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by either leaving a message down below right there on YouTube, or by contacting me at eric@valueareatrader.com. And if you like the show, please go ahead and just subscribe. Just subscribe, and I think you're going to get a lot of valuable information from my technical analysis. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. We will see you Sunday, and with my next picks. And remember, trade smart and be safe.